If you have a house in Hamilton, Ohio, and you want to sell fast, easy, conveniently, and get a fair price, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in Hamilton, and in this video, I'm going to share with you why so many sellers in Hamilton prefer to work with a direct buyer like us instead of working with a traditional buyer that needs to qualify for a loan or is using a mortgage to buy your house. So first and foremost, we're going to keep it easy because we're a true as-is buyer. We're going to buy the house as it is. That means you don't have to do any work to the house whatsoever. You don't need to hire a handyman or clean or even haul anything away. You can take with you anything that you want out of the house, anything that you don't want or don't need, you simply could leave behind and we'll take care of it for you. And what allows us to buy the house as is, as it sits, with no work that you need to do whatsoever. It doesn't matter if it needs a lot of work or a little work. We'll buy the house as is. What allows us to do that, though, is we're a cash buyer. So we're not relying on a mortgage lender. We're not relying on any third-party approval or anything like that. And that's typically what you get with a traditional buyer. So with a traditional buyer who's using a mortgage lender, they're going to send through a thorough inspection, and they're going to test every single electrical outlet and every light switch and every ceiling fan, open and close all the doors, and basically compile pages and pages of everything that's wrong with the house. And then basically they could use that against you to try to renegotiate or get more extensions and take more time. Or I'm sorry, after the inspection, it gets worse because now they got to send the appraiser through. And if the appraiser doesn't like the house, or if they don't, if the house doesn't meet the lender's requirements for any reason, they can basically blow the whole deal up and send you back to square one, cancel on you. And it's just a huge waste of time at the end of the day. All of this is unnecessary. It's just all unnecessary when you work with a direct buyer. And then a waste of time is actually a waste of money in real estate, because every day that has gone by that they didn't buy your house in Hamilton, it's another day that you got to pay the utilities, the property insurance, the property taxes, and there's just a huge opportunity cost. With us, there's none of that. There's no thorough inspections, appraisals. We're a direct buyer, and we're going to keep it easy for you. So if you have a house in Hamilton and you want to sell for cash and to a direct buyer, or at least just see what your options are, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. Yes, it says Columbus in the website name, but we're very active in Hamilton, and we work with sellers all over the Cincinnati area. So when we get on the phone, it's an easy conversation. We just need to know when you want to close, because we can close on your timeline. So you tell us if you want to close quickly, we'll do that. If you need more flexibility and we want to set a future closing date, we can do that as well. And then we just need to know more information on the house. We're going to make you a fair cash offer on the house. If our offer works for you, great. We're going to keep it easy, and we're going to basically communicate with you throughout this whole experience and be very clear with you. You're always going to know where we're at in the timeline of closing and whatnot. It's just very easy. The closing company will come to you. You don't even need to leave the house. You don't need to do anything. It's very, very easy. We have hundreds of testimonials of sellers just like you that we've worked with, and we've been around a long time. So we're going to treat you fairly throughout the whole experience. If our offer doesn't work for you, we're not going to pressure you or have any sales tactics or gimmicks. And we're local. We're not some call center that's located in some distant foreign land. We're going to treat you right like a neighbor, and we're going to treat you fair. So if you have a house in Hamilton and you want to sell fast, easy, and conveniently, or at least just see what your options are and maybe selling at some point in the future, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.